It'll be so random in a building, you feel me? This one drill right here will improve your ability to dribble through your legs. Here's a go. Here I go. You start out slow or at a pace you can handle, and just repeat this. And then once you feel like you can handle that pace, speed it up for yourself. You know you can be on your toes too, but just for ball handling purposes, practice in the same spot. Keep bringing it through your legs. Get low, get high. If y'all got any specific tutorials in mind that y'all would like me to do, drop it in the comments down below and I will get to it as soon as possible. Peace.
Simple vlog guide. There we go. And this is a couple uploads I did right there.
Shout out to my family. What's up, y'all?
Let's go.
They know I'm the best. Run me up a check. Money. I don't gotta flex. Nah. Call it a finesse. Yeah. Don't rub on no weapons. Yeah. They know I'm up next. Act out with my name. Saying backwards, understand.
What you pay?
I just do my dance.
What was that? Mine off the market?